There was a time when Chinese cars were considered among the most dangerous in the world. No standards, no protection, just metal and hope. Today, that story looks very different. Early Geely cars were built to be affordable, not to protect. Modern Geely is engineered around safety from the ground up. This is one of the biggest transformations. From basic survival to global-level crash protection. BYD moved from weak structures to rigid safety cells. This is a clear engineering leap. Mass and structure finally started working together. Impact energy is absorbed, not passed into the cabin. These cars were built for international markets. Safety here is no longer optional. Heavy platforms, strong frames, a clear move toward premium protection. Modern Chinese cars are no longer experiments. They are tested, engineered, and competitive. This is not evolution by marketing. This is evolution by engineering. These crash tests are shown for educational purposes. Always drive responsibly.